Astrological Aspect Patterns, Part 2, the Kite. Now, first and foremost, an astrological aspect pattern is when three or more planets make an aspect to one another, forming a geometrical shape. Now, my last reel, we went over the grand trine, which you can see located here in this blue triangle. And we went over how the grand trine can be harmonious, stable, supportive, but has a possibility of inaction or idleness. And we also went over one of the ways a grand trine can be motivated. If one of these three planets is either Saturn or Mars, because Saturn has a sense of achievement and Mars a sense of drive. But another way we can motivate a grand trine is through the kite here, through this opposition. Now, the definition of an opposition is in its namesake. These two planets are in opposing forces or tension or conflict. But it's in these more challenging aspects like an opposition or a square where we are forced into change. The opposition activates or provokes and goads us into action for opportunities to manifest these gifts and talents into action. It's a hunger, it's a drive. And on top of adding this zhuzh into this pattern, you get an additional two aspects here that are sextiles, which are also harmonious. It's kind of like that sweet heat where we have enough harmonious cushioning to balance out the spice. So tell me, who in the comments has a kite, and tell us all the zest. Stay tuned for part 3 and adding a new pattern to your repertoire.